It's a proud moment for Goa and for Benji. So that's what I should say. And the most important thing I always say, it is the workers workers in the CCP who are listening. It is their work that has basically paid up and has been acknowledged.
So mostly, sir, he has said that women workers are working more.
Sorry.
Women workers are working more. He has said more.
See, I'm saying what about everyone basically. I know most of the people who are working as far as this segregation of garbage is concerned are women only.
Yeah.
So that is an encouragement also from the Prime Minister for the women.
Okay, so third district is already announced by the government. Revenue department also plays an important
See,
role.
first of all, third district is going to take time.
Yeah.
It's just not going to happen tomorrow. So certain formalities will need to take place. So it will take maybe another 2 years to get it complete.